Identify different major components of heavy vehicle and their function, and placement study of different lorry or bus in institute with different dealers or organizations. Hello, my name is Charamati. In this module, we are going to identify different major components of heavy vehicles and their function, and placement study of different lorry or bus in institutes with different dealers or organizations. At the end of this exercise, you will be able to locate various units on a vehicle. Now, let us take a look at the equipment, materials and tools required.
Tools or instruments required. Double end spanner set 1 set. All can 1 number. Equipment or machineries required. Heavy vehicle or chassis 1 number. Materials required. Soap oil, grease, kerosene, Banya cloth. Heavy vehicles are complex engineering marvels comprising various major components strategically placed to ensure optimal performance, durability, and safety. Heavy vehicles, such as trucks and buses, are complex machines with various components that work together. Understanding these components is essential for anyone involved in the maintenance, operation, or design of heavy vehicles. Let's delve into the key elements. Task 1. Identify the aggregates or parts in the given vehicles. The vehicles exhibit a variety of components and features that contribute to their functionality and design. Firstly, the position of the steering wheel varies, with some vehicles designed for left-hand drive and others for right-hand drive, catering to different driving preferences and regional standards. The location of the engine is another distinguishing factor among these vehicles, as some have their engines situated in the front, others in the center, and some at the rear. This placement influences weight distribution, traction, and overall balance, impacting the vehicle's handling and performance. Examine the position of the clutch and gearbox. Their placement in the vehicles is crucial for understanding the driving dynamics. Their location affects the ease of gear shifting. Additionally, keep the vehicle on the RAM. Consult your instructor. The type of chassis and frame further differentiates the vehicles, with options ranging from rectangular and I-shaped to channel types. This structural diversity impacts the overall performance and durability of the vehicles. The suspension system is another critical aspect. Vehicles feature either rigid or independent suspension. This choice significantly influences the comfort and handling characteristics of the vehicles. Diverse brake systems, including mechanical, hydraulic, air, or vacuum disc drum brakes, are implemented in these vehicles, reflecting various effective stopping power. Detailed specifications of the tires, such as width, diameter, and ply rating, are embossed on each tire, providing valuable information about their load-bearing capacity and suitability for different road conditions. Locate the radiator, fuel tank, and silencer, muffler. It is essential for understanding the overall layout of the vehicles. These components contribute to the efficient functioning of the engine and the overall driving experience. The type of front axle, whether dead or live, influences the vehicle's steering and suspension characteristics. The number of propeller shafts and universal joints in between the gearbox and differential is a key aspect, impacting the transmission and drivetrain efficiency. Examine the location of the differential and rear axle, which provides insights into the vehicle's traction and power distribution characteristics. Record the details in Table 1. List out the vehicles in your institute. By recording these details in a comprehensive table, you will gain a holistic understanding of the diverse vehicles present in your institute, each exhibiting unique features and configurations that contribute to their individual characteristics and performance capabilities.
We have come to the end of the exercise. Let us have a recap on what we have learned in this module. We have learned to locate various units on a vehicle. Thus, we have learned to identify different major components of heavy vehicles and their function, and placement study of different lorry or bus in institutes with different dealers or organizations. Do this exercise with the help of your instructor. Thank you.